All right, folks, so COK will be celebrating its 50th anniversary on Thursday, October 26th. But although they're the ones celebrating, you're the ones benefiting, I'm told. COK's Chief Executive Officer, Ambassador Luna Samba, is here with me. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Once again. Good morning. Thank you for having me.
Always great to see you. 50 years.
Yes. You know, COK started in 1967, and we were October 26th, so Thursday coming is our birthday. We were the first open bond credit union. Prior to that, you would have had to have been employed in a place where they had enough people to form a credit union. So many firms and business places would have had credit unions. And you have some of the older ones, JPS, Water Commission, JDF, you know, Grace, Lascelles. Many of them no longer exist because they have been merged with other credit unions. So we only have 28 credit unions now. But COK was the first one to have been an open bond credit union. Which means
what? Open bond means?
It means that with the cooperatives movement, you're supposed to know the people who you are in a cooperative with.
Okay.
So you build a relationship with people, and it is about people helping people. So people save together so that they can give loans to each other, and that's the concept. So we have some really far-seeing persons who felt that it was unfair to persons who were self-employed, for example, or who were employed in small firms that didn't have enough people to build a credit union, that they were not able to access credit union services. And so they got together, Mr. Albert Bertie Morris, who was already in a credit union at JPS, and Paul Chavans, who was employed to the Credit Union League, a lady named Mrs. Vinette Foster. She was the first woman. Her number is 2. And they got together and said they wanted to get a credit union that would be for the ordinary man in the streets. And COK was born. We were born for the city of Kingston and St. Andrew. Over the years, we merged with Sodality Credit Union, which is why we are now COK Sodality. And that allowed us to open our bond, which is the area in which we could operate
to make it wider,
to make us be able to go all over the country. So we're now in Montego Bay, we're in Maypen, we're in Portmore, and so on. And we're celebrating our birthday, and we're giving a gift to our members.
And that is?
We're cutting our car loan rates by 50%.
Wow.
Yes.
That's plenty.
So that if you're buying a new car, the rate now comes out to 4.2%.
Wow.
Just for 1 year. It's a birthday gift for the year, for 1 year, and then after that year, it goes back to what the rate was at this time.
Any kind of car?
Any kind of car. But of course, you get the percentage of the loan that you get is dependent upon the year of the car, so the value of the car. There's a correlation between the value and so on. But I want to make this because a lot of people have been asking me, and I want to make this point, is that you can join the credit union.
I was just going to say
and
that.
Apply for the loan at the same time.
But you can't if you're not a member.
No, if you're not currently a member. For example, I hope you are a COK member, but if you are not, you can come in today, join the credit union, satisfy all the requirements, and you can apply for your loan at the same time. So we have different percentages that we lend according to the year of the car. So for the new cars, it is 4.2%, and then going all the way down to, say, 2012 and beyond, it reduces.
But you said this is just for this year.
It is just for this year. That rate is for this year. And the promotion is only until the 31st of October.
Oh, which is just around the corner.
It's more than a week. It's a week. So you have to come in within that week. If you come outside of the week, you won't get it because it is a birthday gift to our members and to our new members.
Is that the only thing that's happening?
Well, last week we celebrated International Credit Union Week, where we're 3 billion credit union members all over the world in 120 countries. So we celebrated that last week. And we had cake cutting and, member appreciation day in all of our branches. And this year, and this week on Thursday, which is our actual birthday, we are going to have a cake cutting. We also have church services. We had one yesterday at St. Luke's. We're having one on Saturday at the Seventh-day Adventist Church in Glen Devon, and on the 2nd of November, we're having one in Mandeville. For the life of me, I can't remember the name of the church.
We work it out. The cake finished, ma'am?
No, we're going to have, the one last week finished, but we'll have on Thursday. So please come. Oh, we're also going to have your sister radio station, RGR, and our very good friends, Afternoon Radio, will be there.
You really want to say those people are your friends?
Yes. I love the Burger Man. I love Burger Man.
You're brave to say that.
Yes.
So that's happening this
Thursday,
okay.
yes. But the loan sale, you have to come in between now and the 31st. And you have to, bring us the usual thing. First of all, you have to prove you can pay back the loan.
So it's easy to qualify for a loan, is it?
It's very easy to qualify for a loan. We require that you provide us. If you're coming in as a new member, you bring your ID, you bring your proof of address, you bring your a passport size picture. When you're applying for the loan now, if you're employed, you bring proof of your income. If you're self-employed, you bring proof to say this is what you have been earning, because we want to know that you can pay back the loan.
For sure.
Yes.
But like when me and your friend, you wouldn't just let me...
The truth, Neville, is that I am not personally involved in the loan process.
But don't you have the chief
I'm the
executive?
CEO, yes. But people have their different roles to play. I come out and talk on TV.
Okay. So if I tell them I know you, now go work?
It will help. It will help. It will help. And everybody says they know me. Every COK member. I went to church yesterday, and as I was coming out of my car, there was a COK member saying, Mrs. Asamba, I know you're going to be here. I'm so glad. And hand me a letter and say, read the letter Monday when you go in.
Okay,
Yeah.
So I could also tell him, just in case I can't pay it back.
No.
You would have helped me?
No. You have to pay it back. But we if you get a loan, for example, and you fall into some difficulties, come in and talk to us. Because remember, the money that we are lending you is the money that other people put there that allows us to lend you. And the one thing I want to say is that as cooperators, we own the company.
Yeah. Okay.
We own it. Any surplus that we make goes back into reducing rates, providing other kinds of services, and making dividends.
Brilliant. Happy birthday when it comes.
Thank you so much. And I want to just invite everybody, come to COK. Come on Thursday and get a piece of cake. But come and look at our loan products. I could stay here and talk to you about some other products which are excellent.
Yeah.
Savings products, like something we call the Golden Harvest. We have a partner plan where we don't take any banker's hand. And in addition to that, we pay you an interest. And we have something called the Family Indemnity Plan, which is excellent. It's to make provisions for when your family dies, and it covers 6 people for the one money.
All right.
I love to say that.
Thanks for coming, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
She's the Chief Executive Officer at COK, Credit Union Ambassador, Alun Ndombe Asamba. All right, we pick up some medicine from the market. That's after the break. Soon come.